There's probably no other snack that is more Mediterranean than the iconic classic hummus dip made with chickpeas and tahini. But for those of you looking for an equally healthy but low carb twist on this classic dip, try this roasted cauliflower and garlic version and add one more veggie to your daily five in the process. Because you'll be taking the time to bring out all those rich and roasted flavors of the cauliflower and garlic, this dip takes a little bit longer to make, but it lasts in the fridge for at least 3 to 5 days and is worth every minute of easy prep time. So pull up a chair, grab a glass, and join me in my Mediterranean kitchen while I make a totally tasty dip perfect for summertime snacking. Break up a whole head of cauliflower into similar sizes so they roast evenly. Slice the top from a whole head of garlic, exposing those clove tips. Lightly douse the cauliflower with a drizzle of olive oil and season it with some sea salt and pepper. Now spread the florets out evenly on a roasting pan. The last bit, pour some olive oil into the garlic head before wrapping it up tight and adding it to the pan. Into a 375-degree Fahrenheit, 185-degree Celsius oven for about 20 to 30 minutes. As soon as the cauliflower and the garlic head are roasted and toasty, let's finish this dip with the food processor or a blender. When the garlic head is roasted like this, it turns into this sweet, creamy paste, so don't be too scared of too much flavor. Now add 1/3 of a cup of tahini paste, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, which is about what you get from 1 lemon, 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil, and a little pinch of sea salt to finish it off. Just blend everything until it's nice and smooth, and if it's a little too thick for your liking, add a bit of ice-cold water to fluff it up a bit more. Wait till you taste this. You'll be amazed at how sweet and savory this dip is all at the same time. Just serve it up with some crunchy, juicy veggie sticks for another healthy snack.